Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a tree map. So I'm just going to go in random order. So first thing I'm going to size this up, and let's go to the list of orders, and immediately I'm going to go into region. I'm just going to drag it here. So now it's loading. Can you see there? Oh. Now after region, I need my, so where's the order? Not the order ID. Units or something? Order breakdown. Let me check in this file. Order ID. Quantity. So now it's right. So central. So as you can see here, and if I just drag the profit, so the sum of profit versus the sum of this. So as you can see, the sum of quantity is like small. So now I'm just gonna add the product name. I think I'm gonna minus sum of profit. After sum of quantity, I need to add product name and count of product name. So this is the quantity and that's the product name. So that's a lot. And if I go down to sales, I wonder what that does. It's probably gonna mess it up. Sum of sales, sum of quantity, and the rest is count of product name. Escape. In fact, I think I'll just keep it like that. I don't know how to do that. And I'm gonna add a quantity. And I even think you can barely see that. Legend. Okay, so that's a quick 2-minute tutorial of how to do it. I couldn't find any proper, files to use, so I'm just gonna use this. And where is it going? Is the region in here? Yeah, the region's in there. So yeah, bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, share. Bye.